See how much snow we got. Just like I thought. Just like I thought, 8 inches. This is just like when I was a kid back in 1972. 8 inches of snowfalls. Just like the old days. Well, it's wet snow. There's an inch of slush underneath it, and it ain't fun. Welcome to Wisconsin. Here's what we got going on. Maze of trails. Amazing maze of trails. We got freaking trails, snow off the thing, snow off the roof a little bit, off the eaves. It's crazy here, man. It's crazy. Try to get the snowblower going now. All right, welcome everyone. Phil here. 8 inches of snow. Basically snowed in. That's not working. I need a carburetor and fresh gas in it. I ordered that. Should be here tomorrow, hopefully. So yeah, I failed to go to the store yesterday. Didn't know this storm was coming. It caught me off guard here. Caught me off guard, you know what I'm saying? So I got no beer. I got nothing. I got food and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to hike about 2 miles to Quick Trip, I think it is. I don't know. I'll check it. But anyway, here we go. I got my boots on. Hopefully we don't hit any snowbanks. All right. So we got a path shoveled up to the street. Got a path to my trash and shed. So yeah, I was able to get the mail. But all right, let's go. Pretty high snowbanks. That tree's collapsed. I got the snow off the one way in the back. Oh. Nice little hike in the winter storm. At least it quit snowing now, so we're good to go. I can take a shortcut through Walmart. They got a cut in the fence. Hopefully I can get through there. Hills are covered. The bluffs. Everybody's trying to dig out. That's nice. Okay, there's the Walmart fence. These roads are terrible. It's pretty much ice, slush underneath all the snow. It's like a skate rink. Hard to drive in this stuff. Gotta watch out for cars. Here's the corner of the Walmart fence, so we gotta go all the way around Walmart. Oh shit, that fucker's not shoveled. I'll have to blaze a trail through that thing. Excuse the language. Should have worn my knee boots. Should have worn my Rangers. Oh, no, it's not too bad, I don't think. There's already a path. There's the little path through the fence. Okay. Try to keep the snow out of my damn boots. There's Mansky. That's Mansky. Plows most of the businesses in town here. We're going behind Walmart. Gotta go all the way up there, all the way to the other corner, across down the street to Quick Trip. Alright, stay tuned. Just talking to that guy. He drove from Winona or something or another. It's about 35 miles away. He said that was a nightmare. I gotta get out of the road. We gotta walk that way. He's a nice guy. Here he goes, headed back to Winona. Had to come to Walmart. Not sure what for, but there's the beautiful bluffs. We gotta go all the way down to that stoplight and then go right for about a block. Then we'll be a quick trip. Yay! Get some liquor for the day. Holy shit. Wally World. Plow's trying to plow around all these cars. Well, I got snow in one boot and rock salt in the other. That's comfortable. That'll teach me to not wear my tall boots, but what are you gonna do? Live and learn. Live and learn. Alright, I think it's splashed by him. This is it. Let's go. Well, looks like we're gonna have to blaze a trail. Oh, almost just bit it. I don't know which way to go. Got to get over there. Well, let's see if the sidewalk's clear up here. Oh, it looks like it, thank God. We just gotta get out of this intersection. Yay, the sidewalk's clear. Yay, quick trip. Ooh, I almost bit it again. Gotta go. Alright. Beverages acquired. Taking the other way back. The other way's too busy with cars. We got our goods. We got some wine, we got some brandy, we got some vodka. Let's roll. How's it going? Great. So we're gonna cut back this way. Car wash. Gonna have to take the scenic road home. That other way is just a little too treacherous. It's pretty much solid ice the whole way. Oh shit. Okay. I guess we gotta get to the street. Oh. Geez, maybe the bus had come by. I could ride the bus. Oh, there's one. This. Oh, I thought that was a bus stop. Alright. Okay. Going through the subdivision. Sherwood Manor. Keep on trucking. These guys are working. Wind has picked up slightly. This road's a little better. At least it's slushy. Yeah, not quite halfway home yet. So we came around the other way. There's Walmart again. Up there, that tan fence. At least these roads are slushy. Everything else is like a hockey rink. I don't know how you can drive in this crap. I mean, I got four-wheel drive, but still. Holy cow. Sun's trying to peek out. That'll help melt things if the blacktop's clear. All right, almost half. All right. Crunch, crunch, crunchy. Down by them trees, that's where we went in before. Now we're taking a left on Boschert. Cutting back through. All right. Now we're halfway, I'd say. Can't wait to have a nice glass of wine or a little shot of brandy when I get home. Do some more chores. Yeah, these streets aren't even fully plowed. They just got pathways, kinda. Then they bury in, of course, as always. Then you gotta dig it out. Then they bury in. Then you gotta dig it out. It's a real pain in the ass. All right, headed up the hill. There's no way they're getting mail today. Look at that. Just a pathway. You can't, unless you got a plow or a snow blower, you're not getting mail today unless they come back through before this afternoon. Not when our mail comes after 2. Yeah, there's no way. Gotta try to do something like that. All right, final stretch down the hill. See, they plow first few passes, they're like 3-4 feet, 2-3 feet away, so they pretty much bury you. Ours is a little better than those. It's because the plow guy lives right up there, so he does this street extra specially nice. There's that tree I cleared off there. The boughs are just breaking. This poor thing. Good for the bird shelter. There's my mailbox. Look, this is melting already. I can't clear all that right now. Home sweet home. Zig and zag, I gotta get this cleared out of here. At least the sun's coming out, that'll melt stuff. Hey everyone, alright, we're back home. We got the patio cleared off. Shot. But the sun's come out. Yeah, I got that done. Anyway, at least that won't freeze, because now it's gonna freeze like Antarctica after this stuff melts if you don't clear it off right away. But anyway, tap today. Got me a vodka soda going. Maybe have a couple of those later. We got that if we need it for backup for the weekend. Yeah, like I said, the dang snowblower needs a new carburetor, pretty sure. So I ordered that, and it should be here tomorrow. But I might not even mess with that till Sunday. Who knows? But or I don't know, man. But I don't know. It's gonna be a pain in the ass, and with my back the way it is, I don't even know if I'll be able to fix it. But at least I'll have the carburetor here, and I can give it a shot. Never done it before, but sure, we'll figure it out. You know what I'm saying? All right. Well, cheers, everyone. I hope you're staying warm. Thanks for watching. Just a short one here. Going for the walk. So, all right. Hope you're unshoveled and your backs aren't hurting like mine. Thanks for watching. See you later. Fill out. Bye.